Hello and good day, students of NHS. This is your friendly counseling department. I'm here to go over with you how to review your four-year plan for graduating from Northwest High School. In your hand, you should have received the paper copy of your four-year plan. This should not be a surprise. You made it in either the 8th grade or maybe at some other point while you've been with us, but you did pick these classes. We didn't pick them for you. Let's look at how to read it. So the farthest line over here is the credits you earned in the middle school. This middle larger section is the credits that you earned in, the classes you're sitting in right now. And then this far column over here will be the upcoming school years, and they are listed for you over here. The first thing you need to do when reviewing this document is to ensure that each one of these years has a 7. You have 7 credits a school year that you are to be enrolled in, and therefore if this number over here is different than 7, then you are going to need to work on your four-year plan. The second thing you need to do is, of course, look at next year and say, okay, is that still what I want to do? Do you want to change something to a pre-AP? Do you intend to drop an athletic? Do you want to, discontinue your time in AVID, which we don't recommend, or maybe you want to join AVID. So this is where you review the upcoming years and you speak with your parents about it. Because, as you can see at the bottom here, when you meet with your counselor, you are going to, if you intend to make any changes, you are going to have your signature and a parent or guardian's signature as well. The way you make changes to this document is to take a pen and run a line through the course that you no longer desire to take, and then you can write the new course somewhere at the bottom or out to the side or something like that. Just make sure if you are going to make any changes at all that you have written them onto the document and that you have a guardian signature. We're not allowed to make any changes to your four-year plan without parental permission. So if you come in to meet with us about your schedule and you say, I want to make some changes, but you don't have your signed sheet, then we can't do those for you. Okay, so today your job is to take a look at your paper and ensure that there are 7s over here, and then start reviewing the courses. If you think for sure you need to change a course, but you're not really sure to what, then you will go to the Counseling Center website, which is nisdtx.org/NHS counseling. And that gets you to us. This is the same website where you request to see your counselor, but you go to Academic Planning Guide. And then you are here. This is the book that the district publishes to explain to you, how to plan for your 4 years. And the most key feature of it is a description of all the courses that we offer. So if you go to page 7 of this, if it ever downloads, let me go back over here. If you go to page 7, make that 15. If you go to page 15, you will see the required courses or formula of courses that you need to have in order to graduate. That's a good stop. You will see you need 28 or 26 credits in order to graduate, and you will see what types of credits you need in order to graduate. And then as you continue to move through this document, you will get lots of information on lots of things, but then you will get to the description of courses. And this will help you to determine what you might need to change on your 4-year plan. Okay? So, this is day 1 of your registration process to get your 4-year plan, to start doing some preliminary reviews, to take a look at the academic planning guide. Then you will go home and you will write your changes onto that plan. And then you will, once you've written your changes on there, you'll sign it. Your guardian will sign it. And then you will come to the counseling center and we will review these plans with you. So if you are, this is when we will see the English 1 classes down here in the Go Center. So you have to have your signed paper with all your changes written on it by the time your teacher comes down to visit us at the Go Center. There's English 2. Okay guys, we look forward to meeting with you and talking with you about your course selection. Just please understand that we can't make any changes without parental consent. Please understand that when you come in here, that we really don't like the phrases, I don't really know what I want to take. What have you got? Because we don't really have an opportunity to rattle off the entire academic planning guide. So it's a responsibility of yours to review the academic planning guide so that you know what we offer or what your options might be for your coursework. Okay, have a great day, and we will see you when you guys come down to the Go Center to review your plans with us. Bye-bye.